Looking for a budget-friendly island escape? Well, you're not alone. Many dream of sipping cocktails by the beach, listening to the calming sound of waves, and feeling the warm sand beneath their feet, all without burning a hole in their pocket. It might seem like an impossible dream, right? But paradise doesn't always have to come with a hefty price tag. With smart planning and a dash of creativity, you can experience the magic of an island getaway without breaking the bank. It's all about timing, living like a local, thinking outside the box when it comes to accommodation, and leveraging the power of bundled packages. It may sound like a lot, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Over the next few minutes, we'll unravel the secrets to a budget-friendly island dream. So, are you ready to discover how to make your island dream come true on a budget? First things first, timing is everything. One savvy secret to a budget-friendly island escape is off-peak travel. When the crowds thin out, prices for accommodations and activities tend to follow suit. That's when you'll find those jaw-dropping deals that'll make your wallet sing. Be flexible with your travel dates, and you'll unlock the best deals. The shoulder season is your golden ticket to paradise without the premium price tag. So remember, when it comes to budget travel, timing is everything. Now, let's dive into the local life. A savvy way to make your island escape more budget-friendly is to embrace local experiences. One of the best cost-saving strategies is using local transportation. Hop on a bus, rent a bike, or simply stroll through the town. Not only is it cheaper, but it's also an excellent way to see the island through the eyes of those who call it home. Next, let's talk about food. We all love gourmet meals, but they can be pricey. Instead, why not try local eateries? It's a fantastic way to sample authentic cuisine and support local businesses. Plus, the prices are often much more wallet-friendly. However, watch out for tourist traps. They often overcharge for experiences you can get for less elsewhere. So, do your research, ask locals for recommendations, and be adventurous. So, when you travel, don't just visit, live it like a local. When it comes to accommodation, it's time to think outside the box. Why not give homestays a shot? They offer a unique cultural experience and a chance to connect with locals. Hostels, too, are a great option, providing sociable environments and shared experiences. And for the adventurous souls, why not try camping under the stars? It's both budget-friendly and an experience like no other. So forget the luxury resorts and embrace the charm of alternative accommodation. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of packages. They're a treasure trove for budget travelers. These inclusive deals bundle accommodation, meals, and even activities, providing the ultimate value for your money. Imagine savoring local delicacies, embarking on thrilling adventures, and resting in cozy accommodations, all without burning a hole in your pocket. So spend some time researching and comparing these packages. It's like a treasure hunt. And the prize? An affordable island escape. Remember, the right package can make your budget island escape a reality. So there you have it, your guide to budget-friendly island escapes. To quickly recap, consider visiting during off-peak times for the best deals. Embrace local transportation and dining to save money and enjoy a truly authentic experience. Be open to alternative accommodations like homestays, hostels, or even camping. Lastly, don't overlook the value of inclusive packages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration. And remember, paradise on a shoestring budget is within your reach.